Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this one and only Wonyoung version of the Icon Dispatch magazine. This is issue 31. This is everything that comes in the box. Let's start with the photo cards. The first photo card we have is this one. It's not a photo card. Let's see what the other side looks like. It seems to be some sort of card. Now let's open this. These are actual photo cards. Let's see what they look like. The first one is this one. The second one is this one. And the last one is this one. Now let's open this packet. Ooh. We have this photo strip of Wonyoung. This 4-way picture. Next, we have this calendar. When you open it, this is the first picture. This is February of 2026, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then we have January 2027. This is the final picture. And last but not least, let's look at the actual magazine. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.